There is a lot of controversy going on the YouTube space about which app is best for uploading. Is it YouTube app? Is it YouTube Studio? Or desktop version of YouTube? I went under study, and after doing my research, I was able to find out that both YouTube Studio, YouTube app, and desktop version of YouTube are working together. But the only thing there is that there are some features that one has while others do not have it. So if this is something you would like to know, keep on watching this video, do not skip any part. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Confidence. Today is the first time tuning in. Thank you. If I'm a returning subscriber, thank you as well. In today's video, I will take you on step-by-step process on the best app to use in uploading your video. So if this is something you're interested about, do well to like, share, subscribe, and lastly, comment down in the comment section. In today's video, I'll be taking you on step-by-step guide on how to upload your video without having any problem. To upload my video the right way, what I'm going to do is to tap on YouTube app. I'll tap on it. I'll hit on my plus button, which is my uploading button. I'll be asked whether if I want to upload video, short or go live. I want to upload video. I'll click on upload video. Then I'll select any video here that I want to upload. Let's say I want to upload this video. I'll tap on next. I'll tap on this pencil icon to upload my thumbnail. So this video is just how to upload your first video to YouTube. I'll tap on this thumbnail. This is me adding my custom thumbnail. I'll click on done. I'll type my title. How to upload first YouTube video. I'll move to my description. I'll type my description and add it my hashtag. I'll come to my visibility. I'll choose either public. Public is immediately you upload your video, everybody will start seeing it. Then unlisted, the unlisted is people that you give your link that can be able to watch it. Then private is just people that are in your community. Maybe you are monetized, people that are in your community. Then schedule is you giving YouTube the time that you want, they can upload it for you. So you have to make your choice. For me, I always choose unlisted. I'll now look at my audience. So when I look at my audience, this video, is it meant for kid or not? If it's meant for kid, you say yes. But if it's not meant for kid, for me, it is not meant for kid. I'll now come to location. I'll leave my location like that. Then I'll add it to playlist. Altered content. Does anything like broom or picture talk? Do you use anything like AI objects? I would say no. But if you make use of AI object, make sure you say it. Make real person say something they did not say or do. That is AI. No, I did not do it. But if you make use of it, make sure you write yes. So allow video and audio remixing simply means you allow people to come and watch your video and take any part that they like. So you can allow, you cannot allow it. It is not left for you to do research and not the one that is best suited for you. But for me, I will allow. Another thing is add paid promotion. Does this video include paid promotion or not? No. Nobody paid me for any advert. I'll turn on my comments, and after that I will hit on this upload. After all this thing, the next thing I'm going to do is to move to the desktop version of my YouTube channel. When I go there, I will finish up the remaining setting. That I will add automatic chapters. I will also turn on my end screen. So we are going to do it together. Let's move there. I'll click on Chrome browser. I'll type www.youtube.studio. I'll click on this first one. It will bring out this interface for me. Try out the YouTube Studio app. Get the app, continue to studio. I will click continue to studio. It will bring me to this interface, which is my channel dashboard. I'll click on this three-dotted line. So I'll click on my content. So let's say this is the video I'm working on. I'll click on the title. It will bring me here, how to upload your first YouTube video, which is my title and my description. I've added my hashtag and look at my thumbnail. I add it in 2 playlists. Audience is not meant for kids. Then I'll click on this show more. Paid promotion, no. So altered content, no. We did all that. Then automatic chapters, this is what you're going to see. Automatic chapters. I will allow automatic chapters. I will allow automatic places. I will allow automatic concepts. And this is my tags. And I will put on my language, English, my title, English. I will now recording data, none, I did not write anything. Then license, I put it on standard YouTube license. Allow embedding. Allow video and audio remixing. Then category, I'll choose how and style because I'm doing tutorial. So comment, I'll turn it on. Then my moderation, I put it on what? Basic. Because YouTube will not allow any comment that is not good to come here. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to move to the right hand side. When I move to my right hand side, I will see my end screen. I'm going to put in my end screen. Remember, I have detailed video on how to put end screen. If you don't know how to do it, you tell me, let me forward it to you. So this is me and this is the end screen that I put. So that's it. So you make sure you do all this thing very well. After everything you do, you make sure you click on save. If not, you have not done anything. So I'll click on save. That's all. For me, YouTube app is a game changer because sometimes when I want to upload using my desktop version of YouTube, I will not see the file that I want to upload. So if you're having the same experience, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and lastly give me a thumbs up. Bye bye and see you.